Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get stretch resolution in Fortnite PC. So first you just have to go to the search bar and then kindly type run, open run, and this time you have to type person symbol, local app data person symbol. And then once done, what you want to do next is to click OK. And then here, you just have to simply look for a folder, Fortnite folder to be exact. Click Saved, and then click Config. Now go to Windows Client, and then tap this one. Now right click, show more options, go to Properties, and then make sure that you untick this one. Okay, so you have to make sure that this read only is unticked. Apply, and then click OK. Once done, what you want to do is to open this game user settings and then go to edit. Now we will find resolution size. So tap edit and then go to find. Now here you have to search for resolution size, and this time we're going to modify or change some settings here. So all you have to do is to go to this area. As you can see, we have here resolution. Change this to 1680 for size X, and also for resolution size Y, you just have to remain that as 1080. Okay, so that's it. So let me remove this one first. Okay, for resolution size X 680, and then for resolution size Y 1080. After that, you have to go to the side and then change this to 1680, and then for size Y 1080. Now scroll down and go to the side screen width. Change this to 1680 and the side screen height 1080. Okay, so that's it. And the last thing is this last user confirm the site strength with the same size. Once done, go to File, go to Save As, or you can just simply click Save, and that's it. Now open your game settings again, go to Show More Options, go to Properties, and click Read Only, click Apply, and then click OK. Next thing to do here, or the second method, is if you have your NVIDIA control panel, you just have to open that one and you have to set some changes with the settings here. So once you open your NVIDIA, here you have to change this horizontal pixels to 1680, and for refresh rate, change this to 144 under Create Custom Resolution. Okay, so the next thing to do is you go back, go to choose the resolution, go to custom and change this to 1680, 1080. And last is you go to apply the following settings and change or select full screen. Okay, so that's how you get stretch resolution in Fortnite PC. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.